Hey, Joel here with Wow Soft Wash. We're out in North Plains, Oregon today, and we're going to be cleaning the siding of this house. We're going to be using a process called soft washing. We're not pressure washing the exterior of this home. The reason why we use a soft wash process is to prevent damaging the home or breaking the water barrier between the siding and the home. So stay tuned with us and we'll show you our step-by-step process of how we soft wash the exterior of your home or building. Now we're pulling our chem line. We always run 2 hoses, one chem, one fresh water. We find it makes the job go smoother. Alright, our first step is we're going to wet any surface that we're not trying to clean, such as this fence, any sort of vegetation. Gonna wet the siding. This is important to do when it's really hot outside. Alright, now that we've wetted all the surfaces that we're not cleaning, like this fence and the vegetation, we're going to fall behind that with our soft wash solution. We're going to apply it at 60 psi. It's important to be wearing a respirator when applying this, and to be wearing all your PPE. That includes your gloves, safety glasses, and again, be wearing a respirator. Alright, we just applied our soft wash solution. As you can see, it's starting to do its magic. We're going to allow it to dwell for 10 to 15 minutes. And then we're going to fall behind it with a low pressure rinse.
The Pacific Northwest's exterior cleaning heroes. Leaving results that will have you saying wow. Wow Soft Wash.